I'm Alice. I'm 5. I live in London. Today I'm going to show you how to speak Chinese about home. Thank you for supporting my channel. If you like this video, please subscribe. Mirror. 镜子 Girls like to look in the mirror. 女孩都喜欢照镜子。女孩都喜欢照镜子。Desk 书桌 This is my desk. 这是我的书桌。这是我的书桌。Closet 壁橱 Boots should be in the closet. 靴子应该在壁橱里。靴子应该在壁橱里。Bathtub 浴缸 This is a beautiful bathtub. 这是一个漂亮的浴缸。这是一个漂亮的浴缸。Cupboard 橱柜 I put many dishes in the cupboard. 我把好多盘子放到橱柜里。我把好多盘子放到橱柜里。Table 桌子 Move the table over there. 把桌子搬到那。把桌子搬到那。Chair 椅子 I'm sitting on a chair. 我坐在椅子上。Wardrobe 衣柜 I don't like this wardrobe. 我不喜欢这个衣柜。Sink 水池 You can use the sink in the kitchen. 你可以用厨房里的水池。Bench 长椅 Here's a bench. 这儿有一把长椅。That's all for today. Remember to subscribe.